Mainly, we are designing a mixed signal PCB, on which obviously we have a digital section and an analog section. In the digital section, we typically have high counts BGA, high bulk counts BGA, and also we have a high-speed memory interface, DDR2, on that Rabbit product. And on the analog side, it's a high analog bandwidth section with high precision and high resolution ADC that we are commonly used. The Rabbit board, it's a PCI form factor PCB. It's a 12-layer stack up on which we define two sections. One section of the stack up or accommodate, let's say, the high routing needs of the digital section, and the analog stack up or the analog section of the stack up are mainly isolate from the digital side. Due to the high-speed nature of that product, we have a lot of constraints to enter in the design to be sure that we respect all the timing margin that we need to reach in the digital section mainly. So the design entry that we found under pads are used a lot to constrain the design and to be sure that we are able to reach all those design requirements or design goals.
We had a lot of electromechanical constraints. We usually design, and since our digitizers are PC-based form factor, we needed this one to be also a standalone version. So one of the factors was we had a reduced PCI factor, and we had many heat sinks for heat dissipations. We had shields over our channels, and of course with design constraints, well, we needed to have some plane cutouts, which of course limits your signal passing. I use pads layout to do my placement, of course the library, the components. Really, that's where we enter all the rules in. And afterwards, well, we migrate into pads router to do the routing, the diff pairs, match length, the match length.
HDS, yeah.
Yes, with HDS. Of course, we use DRCs, but in both tools. I like to use them in both tools for some reason. I feel for some different attributes, I prefer to use it in pads layout. Some others I prefer to use in router. Well, one feature that was especially very useful was the reuse features. We used a lot of that, especially through our channels. We need it to be exactly the same. What else? We purchased HSD for our diff pair lengths, which came out so handy, very handy. Helped us, to speed up the design. Basically, these were practically the two most useful, I would say. But basically, the spreadsheets, different tools throughout pads router was also very helpful. Because we have such a great performance with our board, we are surpassing all of what we were really intending to gain, and already we knew we were going to be offering a better product out in the market, so that really was a big success in itself for us.